Just going to talk a little bit about whittling and how great it is to give children the opportunity to use knives and tools and to see them as really useful things rather than something that's scary. So a quick recap on some knives. So some of my recommended knives, especially when you're starting out, as a knife like this that doesn't have a sharp point, has a nice lip so it stops your fingers going up. So why not just get a child, 5 years old, 6-year-old, 7-year-old, 8-year-old, a knife like this, just to enjoy whittling and crafting. So we can just get a nice green, non-toxic piece of wood and use the knife like this, get into your good knife position, which I've shown on another video, and just allow them the freedom just to whittle away. And you never ever know what might come from this. So children love using their imagination to create things from wands to all sorts. So we might actually just use this for sticking a marshmallow on the end of, or they might decorate it into some sort of journey stick. Or they might actually not even want to make it into anything, just enjoy the process of crafting and having a conversation with somebody while they're doing it, because they have wonderful imagination to come up with things for themselves.